4 miles, that's all that we got left now. Before the road will run out, before it's time for goodbyes.
Good morning, Explorer. It's Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. Such a beautiful day today. The clouds have actually cleared up. It's been raining the last few days here in Siargao, and today we are going to be going island hopping. And to those of you who have been following my channel for a while now, you know that I've been going hopping a couple of times already here in Siargao. But this time it's going to be a different angle to it because I'll be traveling with my good friends and it is their first time here. First things first, I'm gonna go have breakfast with my parents. They're here as well, and we are going to have breakfast in greenhouse. So I've mentioned in the previous vlogs where I've been staying, it's called the Luyong, and it's such a great prime location, and it's very accessible to places like greenhouse, Potted Pig, and yeah, and that's why I'm doing that. I'm walking. My friends are not early birds like me, so I don't think I'll meet them for breakfast, but I'll meet them a little bit later for the island hopping tour. What are you doing?
Nothing, just waiting for you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's your sleep? Ah, you're sick pala. I'll stay away.
Hindi naman. Ano lang. Parang feeling ko tired. Yeah, I feel so sick.
How are you tired? We're always chilling lang naman.
I guess it's the paddle and then the puyat. Oh! The cocktails. The non-stop cocktails. I feel so bloated.
You didn't even finish your drink last night.
And that's it. That's my limit na
That's your
ata.
limit?
Na-reach ko na ata yung limit dun pa lang sa dinner.
Well, at least we get some sun today.
Oh yeah, I'm happy. Good weather. Hello, hello! Hello, beautiful island girl.
You guys made it!
Wow! Nag-ano nag-usap. Why are you tumbling here?
Okay, so are we staying here overnight?
Overnight boat.
Sino nagsabi magdala tayo ng airbed? Actually,
So our tour today, we call it Try Island. Try Island is naked Daku Guyam. So ma'am, which one do you like the first? Daku ay naked Guyam.
yung walang tao.
Walang tao ma'am, dami ma'am. So mas maano okay lang lalo tayo ma'am, naked.
Oh, pwede.
So naked island is a sandbar.
Okay.
So wala pwede mag-naked doon ha, o ano na siya.
Oh, pwede.
Pwede.
Walang direction. Where are we going? Ano din eh? Ay, sorry.
Sino ulit? Pag inabakan ko yung stand natin, pahirapan para nag-hike ako.
Oh my God!
Meg! Wala ng tubig! Wala ng tubig!
Hindi na nag-blip na agad.
Maganda pa rin naman ako, diba?
naman kasi.
Always.
Girl, it's okay. Exfoliate. Pagod na ako. Nandito pa lang
I
tayo.
need to exfoliate. Exfoliate?
Exfoliate.
Exfoliate. Exfoliate. That's a good brand name. Paano kailangan ko ata maghuhugas nito ha? Babalik ako.
No, it's okay. There's powder stuff.
God, ang dami. Move your bag, Lovey.
Sam!
Happy birthday! Opo.
Come here.
Na SM!
Happy birthday! Thank you!
Happy birthday! No, I don't know what that is.
Competitive lagi ka sa imong pagpicture, kuya. Competitive lagi ka.
Wait, everyone picture. Jordan. Wait, may biko guys. May biko puta. Yeah. Yun, may biko. Oh, yeah.
Does it look bad that I'm wearing this?
No.
You'll have a nice time.
You know, it's a funeral of our 30s.
Hello?
A funeral. But never are used. I mean,
Numbers lang. Never are used though.
kaya.
So uncultured na sa... Ha? Kamay?
Budol pie.
It's Arnie style kind of.
Wow, mangers.
Kuya na may knife.
Manger enerdayer. It's okay. Without that.
Yung kutsara.
May tinidor siya.
May good thing girl. Saan ba?
Rice.
Kasi ako
Hindi
Yeah. With bowl. This is good. What is it? Parang adobong pusit.
Nya. Kaniman.
Octopus.
Yummy.
Octopus.
Octopus daw natin. Yun. I will octopi. Octopi.
Yan.
For the sinigang sabaw.
Sarap natin.
Make it scope.
Bobby, can you get some please, Coke? In the glass? Coke na lang.
May pala. I wanted to eat to sana mamaya.
I like this adobong puset. It's yummer. Thank you, Kuya.